Hey, what's up, guys? How we doing? Nick here with some raw day trading, and I'm going to get right into it. I just made this review, but my face was covering the entire charting situation, and so I am making this review one more time. Anyways, so the only thing we're going to focus on today is LFWD. I made a nice trade from here, from the red to green. Actually, from this dip off VWAP into basically a halt up. I only caught a couple cents on it, but it was with 5K shares. Could have done much better on that, but I don't have the tape from that because I forgot to put on my recording until it got halted up, and then I was like, oh, I probably need that. Out of the halt, it started signaling high. It opens higher, and I don't get the trade, and I let it go, and I don't get the dip well. I lose a little bit of money on this pullback, but then I keep trading, and I ended up making it back in a little bit, and then got a great little trade right here, but I don't get back in. Little dip below, consolidation, holding. It's trying to fake like it's going to go much lower. Red comes in, I buy back in right there, gets back above 50. And it just keeps going. I could have held a little bit longer, could have had a little bit more size, yada, yada, yada. Puts me up to about 740. And then lose a little bit there, nothing meaningful. But comes around and it just, this stock got pinned under the purple line, which is the 200 EMA on the daily, and it wouldn't hold above, and I had pretty small size, and the good thing about the small size in this situation was because it was such a teleporty stock, I had faith that I could stop out in a pretty meaningful way pretty quickly, and if I had to stop out a few times, the size would mean that like I'm only losing a couple cents here and there. With 1,500 shares, I would keep most of my profit. And then if it did explode up to 3, which was what I was counting on, or not counting on, but which was what I was trying to bet on, that because of the action, because of this kind of like teleporty action where it teleports to a halt, I was like, okay, well, if that happens, if it does end up surprising people, I'll be able to get out in a nice way that would be able to protect me. Nice little case in point here. It does this thing where it okay, so the 10-minute candle closes right here. It's holding just above 50. Does a little flash higher. Like it's just like bouncing around, really crazy, and it really not giving any liquidity up by that 200 day. There's lots of people selling it. It ends up staying pinned under there. I'm trying. It's hesitating here. It's not quite breaking down. I try to take a trade here, and I think I lose on it, but it's okay. Yeah, I'm like, I don't want to mess with that. It just looks really ugly. It was so fast too. It actually does end up going a little bit higher. I could have held for a little bit longer, but I don't. And then I keep trading it. I get up to 850. I was about 890 on the day. I end the day at only up 806 when all is said and done, but that's okay too. Still a solid day. I will take that and move on with my life. And that is a quick little review for the day. Yeah, remember, day trading is risky. Don't do this at home. Talk to your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Anyways, love you guys. I got to get off. Got an appointment to go to, and I will be out. Peace.